Understanding the type code for the DKC drive controllers. The DKC01.1-030-3-FW. DKC identifies this as an eco drive. 01 refers to the 01 interface option. 1 indicates it is design version 1. 030 means it has a rated current of 30 amps. 3 means it has a nominal DC bus voltage of 300 volts. Frequently asked questions. What is the peak current? The peak current is 30 amps. What is the maximum feedback energy? The maximum feedback energy is 5 kilowatts. What is the mains frequency? This DKC has a mains frequency of 50 to 60 Hz. What is the input voltage? The input voltage is 24 VDC. How much does the drive weigh? It weighs 4.4 kilograms. Thank you for watching. Wake Industrial is your partner in progress for all Bosch Rexroth drive sales and replacements.